It's September. What do I do with all these green tomatoes? Ripen them indoors. Pick firm, full-sized tomatoes before frost and store them with an apple in a paper bag, checking daily for rot. Make classic fried green tomatoes. Slice firm green tomatoes, coat in cornmeal or panko, and fry until golden. Serve with spicy aioli, remoulade, or oven-baked. Pickle them. Slice green tomatoes into spears or rounds and pickle in vinegar, brine with garlic, dill, mustard seeds, or hot peppers. Turn them into salsa verde. Roast or boil green tomatoes with onion, garlic, lime, and chili, then blend. Serve with cilantro, avocado, or black beans. Bake a green tomato pie. Peel and slice green tomatoes, toss with sugar, cinnamon, and warm spices. Then bake in a double crust until golden. Make a green tomato chutney. Simmer chopped green tomatoes with vinegar, sugar, onions, raisins, ginger, clove, and cinnamon until thick, then jar and age. Roast them with olive oil and garlic. Halve or slice green tomatoes, toss with olive oil, garlic, and herbs, then roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until soft and browned. Add them to stir-fries and curries. Slice green tomatoes into wedges and add to stir-fries, curries, or stews. Their acidity balances rich, fatty, or spiced dishes. Freeze them for winter cooking. Chop or slice green tomatoes and freeze individually on a tray, then bag. Use later in soups, stews, or sauces. Compost the truly tiny ones, or use as fall decor. Compost small, unripe green tomatoes to enrich soil, or display them as rustic fall decor alongside autumn leaves and pumpkins.